Welcome to another episode of My Food Journey. Today we're in PakNam, Samut Prakan, for an exciting day of exploration and flavors. We'll start at the iconic Samut Prakan Learning Park and Tower to check out a fascinating exhibition. Dive into a one-day food tour around PakNam's vibrant streets. Also a peaceful nature walk at the historic Phi Suea Samut Fort. Get ready to uncover the charm, history, and mouth-watering tastes of this incredible area. Let's go! Hi everyone. Let's start our today journey with some breakfast here. Some warm soup in a little cold morning is the best. Still got some time left, then let's have a little walk at Samut Prakan Promenade first. Alright, it's time. Now going to the tower. We came here for the exhibition, which has 3 sessions per day. It's all free, just need to register at the information counter. It's time. Let's get inside and check this out. This exhibition tour took around 1.5 hours. Personally, for a free access exhibition, we think this one's quite great. This is the end of the exhibition. Later, we'll visit the observatory tower on 23rd floor. This floor is also free access opening during 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and off on Sunday and Monday. So it's so worth a visit. How is this even free? We wonder. Well, now it's lunchtime and we're so hungry. Let's find something to eat. Here it is, the place for our lunch. This shop really prepared the entrails very well. So tender without any bad smell. This sticky rice with taro is an old traditional menu which usually eaten with this kind of soup. This shop seems to be quite famous among the locals. They opens during 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. and off every Wednesday. Well, for next destination, we'll need to take a ferry to Phra Pa Deng side. And the pier's located in PakNam Fresh Market, so let's have a little walk in the market first. Since this market's close to the sea, it's famous for fresh and dried seafood. And here's the pier. Here it is, our destination. We also plan to visit the museum area inside. Unfortunately, the entrance is flooded, so we've changed the plan. Let's get back. It's time for some afternoon snack. Our next checkpoint is the most well-known Thai dessert shop in this area. The founder of this shop has very long-time history with PakNam. so that she's even included in the exhibition we attended in the morning. Here it is, Lim Dam Rong. Well, after taking a break at nearby mall for a while, it's time for dinner. This braised beef noodle shop looks interesting. Let's try this. This is surprisingly nice. They're doing great with the aroma of the beef in the soup. The beef itself is also great. What an amazing day in PakNam, Samut Prakan. It was a trip full of flavor and charm. If you enjoy this video, please check out another video in this link where we explore Nonthaburi for one whole day. Please let us know your favorite part in the comments. See you next Friday at 3 p.m. Bye.